Hello, everyone. Good morning. Fill yourself with positive energy and shine. So today we're September the 1st, 2020, and we are Tuesday. Let's start off with your mood. So how are y'all feeling today? Are y'all feeling excited, sad, surprised, or happy? I'm feeling happy. Hopefully you're feeling happy too. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's do the days of the week. So today we're Tuesday. So let's start. Monday was yesterday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Then Thursday, Friday, and our favorite days of the week are Saturday and Sunday. Days of the week and date. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. So today is September the 1st, 2020, and it is hot outside. We're still considered summertime. Months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Remember to stay active. Remember, if you have time, go outside in the evening, play some basketball, ride your bike, walk your dog. Always stay active. Today's agenda, we will be doing math. And our life skill for the week is folding your clothes. We're going to learn how to fold clothes with a towel. If you have any questions on any of your assignments, please make sure to contact your teacher.